Hi, I'm Sandy, and as a registered dietitian, I'm always looking for ways to help people eat better without abandoning the recipes they love. That's why I'm so excited about Enrichables. We all have our routines and the list of foods we know our family will eat. If you're a busy mom like me, it's a win when everyone is happy during dinner. And it's a bonus when I know my family is getting the nutrients they need. Enrichables couldn't be easier to use. We've made it so you can add a boost to almost any recipe you make. With nutritional powders like Enrichables, your first thought is probably smoothies. And yes, these make some awesome smoothies, but Enrichables go way beyond that. I like adding more fiber into my family's taco night. I know my family doesn't always get enough fiber, so this is a great way to help meet their nutritional needs and keep their guts healthy. And I like to add a little protein to my kid's favorite mac and cheese to help him stay full and get him the protein he needs. I can even get a boost into baked goods. You can feel good about using plant-based Enrichables in your family's meals because they're soy-free, vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, dairy-free, and made without nuts. This makes Enrichables a great choice, especially for families with food allergies or dietary restrictions. Enrichables are a game changer. They give me the reassurance that my family is eating well while enjoying all the foods that we love. Whether you have picky eaters at home or you're just looking to fill in some of your own nutrient gaps, Enrichables can help. Once you start using them, you'll see just how easy it is to boost your everyday meals.